How can I be homophobic? My bitch is. What's going on, traders? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's Monday, the 24th of March. And yeah, market is pretty much pushing up. That's some nice rally up to the upside. And that is how London opened. I wasn't expecting this push up to the upside. I was expecting, continuous bearish momentum from Saturday, from Friday move till today. So I'm expecting some bullish moment, some bearish momentum, but price did the opposite. And yeah, that is more reason you should be in a hurry to push in. And yeah, look at how market opened on Monday. Okay, on Sunday, market opened on Sunday with a gap. This is Friday close. Sunday morning, Sunday night, open with a gap to the downside. Then fill the gap instantly. Then started doing this very structural high retest and then so um I'm looking at this as a potential pullback. Maybe price doing this, then pushing up forward. So what I have, the entry price, the option price I have, this due to slippages and supply multiplier, so on and so forth. I got filled at I want to get filled here, but I got filled at the top in future price. You can imagine. So about the price I have is 1.2952. 1.2952, right? Then with 20 stop loss, we're having 9.20. 1.29952. 952. It's a very crazy slippage. But I'm not going to be complaining about it. That's what you get when you're trading with, let me say, I won't say unregulated broker. I'll just say with standard spread. That's what you get when you trade with standard spread. You won't get filled at the exact point of interest that you want to get filled. Rather, you get filled higher. But we are at advantage because we're expecting price to get to this external range liquidity. External range liquidity. If you go to the 1 hour, you will see it's also external range liquidity. Because it's external range liquidity. But before we get to external range liquidity, we have some internal range liquidity that price has to fill first, and that is this one. So I'll mark the internal range liquidities. First is this one, then this one, and then no, this one is not that one. Just this one. Lastly, this one. Those are internal range liquidity that price has to sweep before getting to external range liquidity. But I don't think price is going to get to the external range liquidity today. But at the same time, nothing is impossible. GBSD has been pushing up for a very long period of time. Just 2 days, it gave us two pullbacks. 2 days, it gave us two pullbacks. Yeah, so I don't know, but judging from a lot, price repeats itself. Like they say, pattern always repeat itself. Even if I'm streaming. So like they say, pattern always repeats itself. From what we have last week Monday, we got this kind of trade at this point. Yeah, this kind of trade because at this point here, on price did this, pull back a little bit, and then later get to take profit. So it's trying to repeat itself here. We have this break sweeps here. Sweep one and sweep two. We have these two sweeps here. And yeah, this is two sweeps that you're working with. And if price eventually pulls a whole back and takes our stop loss, that means we'll just accept the loss and then move on. But I'm kind of positive on this one that is going to take this external liquidity because once price starts this build up below, more often than not, it's going to sweep the highs because you might be expecting the very short block to hold, but we are forgetting the structure it is building below. Forgetting the structure is building below. You might be expecting this to hold, whereas it's building a structure below. So that is it. And yeah. But if I get stopped out on this trade, I wouldn't mind. Though I'm kind of positive on this one that it's pushing up. But if it push down and gets me stopped out, then I'll call it a day. but I'm kind of positive on this one that it's going to push up. So let me quickly take a screenshot. Come on. Yeah, so let's see how this one plays out. My enterprise at enterprise at 1.29520, and then stop loss below. Let me just add my alert so that I won't keep watching the charts. I'll just go to some other things and then so whenever I enter a trade, I used to ask myself, I'm having this issue. YouTube is not receiving enough video buffering. I don't know how to fix this. I don't know how to fix this. But yeah, so currently we are currently launched and it looks like it's not going well. But well, let's see if the level below holds. If this low holds. It doesn't. We would have ourselves to blame. Like I'm taking full responsibility on this one. Full responsibility on this one. And then we'll see how it turns out. Turns out to be a loss. We'll take it to the full chest. No one to blame, not even the market, not even ours. To me, this is a very nice trade. To me, like everything's in check. The time I executed is in check. It's among the time that I used to play trade. The the time is in check, the structure is in check, everything's in check. So I don't have any excuse. If it goes south, it's still a good trade that went south. The only thing is I should be executing the trade in line with the 1 hour trend. If it's in line with the 1 hour trend, fine. If the structure entry execution is correct, our entry execution is looking for breakout structure and we got the breakout structure, the exact BOS we're looking for. We got it in the 15 minutes time frame and we executed it without stress. Would have been, if not for spread, we would have executed immediately here, but spread pushed up entry price above a little bit. That's 2 pips gap, and then we got this shift in the market pushing our price up. But we won't complain about it though. If you're right, we are right. If you're wrong, we are wrong. That's just it. So I think I stink because I'm just coming back from the gym. I don't want to give an excuse for not hosting a live stream today. I just want to hop in and share a live stream and then maybe continue what I was doing off screen. And again, I ordered an external camera, so that I can start sharing live stream of my face during the stream. He swallowed the olive. Because my webcam is kind of messy. It's not clearing, it's not viewing clearly, so I had to fix it and then change the camera. So once the camera comes back, they said it's arriving in 1 week or 2 weeks time. So once it arrives, then I'll start sharing my face again. But for now, just take it the way it is. Yeah, I'm having a huge spread on this pair. Sorry, this broker that I'm using. When you execute a trade, it pushes the price up. I don't know why they are doing this, but some people is not going to make me lose my trade. I'm not sure. I can add 2 pips, 2 pips buffer, and it's still going to hit my SL. I add 2 pips buffer, it's still going to hit my SL, so no need. 2 pips or no 2 pips. If I add 2 pips buffer, it's still going to hit my SL, so no need of me, adding a buffer. He swallowed the olive. So yeah, I think that would be all for my stream today. Like I said, I don't like watching the chat, keeping it here, watching the chat, waiting for it to hit SL or PTP. I'll just end this stream.